Let's try it now. Today, 16th of May, 2022. It's Latokartanonkaari. Oudergårdsbågen, was it 7?
Yeah.
Here in Viikki. Viikki, Helsinki has for source from Finland. It's been built in the late 1960s. Originally replaced by Kone without fixtures in 2000. Probably in late 2000 or autumn 2000.
Yeah.
That's black delta buttons here, which are much more used in 2002, 2007. Like this might be one of the first ones with these buttons.
Yeah.
Replacement turned 20 years old in 2020, and the cylinder is 7053. See the 6 floors lock.
Yeah.
It's also with the newer Kone logos.
Yeah.
That's why it must be late 2000 or autumn 2000.
Yeah.
Or May after, at least after summer 2000.
Inspekti paikkivaisi. Meinti vaikka on.
It will be inspected in the next year, 2023. I really like the floor indicator here.
No, same.
He was coming.
Oh.
But we did that for the ride already.
Yeah.
There's also the version with have the bigger numbers.
Yeah.
We have filled it too somewhere. And it's with the Times New Roman font.
Yeah.
Same as on the buttons.
Yeah.
I'm still continuing. K1 actually.
Ja no. Mikäs 500?
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can also watch the other
Yeah.
one, which has
That's-
one for us.